Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of mine. This time is a little bit a different spot. I changed the seat as the other place is too sunny right now. Toki, the dog from last time, is also with me and playing with the little stick right now. Anyways, a lot of things happened this last week since I posted, and let me tell you a little bit about it. So first of all, we had the first aid course at my workplace, which was a course of a period of 1 week, which allows me to help people in a wilderness area if something happens to them, which is really amazing. I feel much more confident now to go outside with everyone.
Hola, Chris. Aquí estamos Moritz y yo para ayudarte. Tenemos conocimiento en primer auxilio. ¿Te podemos ayudar? Ya, perfecto. Vamos a quitar esta hueá de acá. Toque. Ya tengo la cabeza. Sí, yo quitaría la mochila.
Yeah, I learned a lot. So the course was over a time period of 1 week. We had classes outside, practical classes, we had an exam, and it was very interesting. At home, at my family's place, we had a celebration. My cousin Selena got baptized, and we had a ceremony in the church where lots of friends and family joined us, and afterwards we went home where we prepared some big meal. Over here everyone receives a plate with a great meal. So for this situation we had some animals, like we did a big barbecue and lots of other things too. On the baptizing, after eating and drinking with everyone, we had the first haircut of my cousin, Selena, where everyone can buy a little piece of hair from her, which don't need to involve money, but basically you say, I'm gonna teach her how to swim, or I'm gonna teach her how to be a good person. And yeah, so everyone can say something. Some people like to give money or animals, so it was very nice to see that. At the end, the child or the kid is supposed to be hairless, but in this case it was just too long. The hair was just too long, and also we just stopped it at the middle, so the haircut doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it was very nice to see many old friends as well, to see people I haven't seen in years, to dance with them, eat with them, talk with them, and have a great time basically. On Halloween, or one day after Halloween, we celebrated Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, where we prepared a little table with food and drinks and pictures to memorize our loved ones who has passed away, and also to welcome their souls into our home on this special occasion. That was very nice as well, and I enjoyed having this experience. And then the last event which happened and was really fun for me this week was that my cousin Sonia and her boyfriend Brian, we went to the middle of the desert, kind of a secret spot I would say, and we went to bath there. Yeah. Over here you have to imagine it's 30 degrees every day. The sun is really strong here, so it was nice to go out, to have a couple of drinks, put some music on, and then just have a bath in semi-cold water. So that was really, really relaxing. Also, the surrounding was very beautiful, as there was nothing around us. There were 3 donkeys and 3 goats there walking around, so that was really amazing. Also, we took a little dog with us, which is a baby dog, and she got to know first time wild animals. So she was kind of going there, looking what is this animal doing, and also maybe kind of fighting it to mark the territory or protect us, probably. But once the animal moved, she was really afraid, so that was a really fun experience. And apart of that, there's actually a lot I could tell you, but this is for the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I will be posting again soon, and hopefully you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.